This is the video blending guide for S. We can call snake sound with the students because it looks and sounds a bit like a snake, and it can be a useful memory tool for them. In terms of its blending, it blends in a what we'll go on to call a conventional manner. By that I mean it can slowly transition from the consonant into a vowel. We represent this in the books with a pipe. So it means that as the students are trying to blend, they can pull their finger through the pipe, adding a kinesthetic support to the blend as they're trying to construct it. So it would go something like this. Sa, se, so, si, sa. And so using the image of the pipe, we can hopefully support the students to, in as many ways as possible, to help them when they're learning to blend this sound.